Honorable Babu Owino, I will read for you standing order number 107 and 107A. If a member commits an act of disorderly conduct or creates disorder, or knowingly raises a false point of order, or unnecessarily interrupts proceedings, the Speaker may call a member whose conduct is disorderly to order that I caution the member, which I've cautioned you, or order the member to withdraw from the precincts of the Assembly for a maximum of 4 days. Yes. So you, Sergeant at Arms, can you escort him out? Escort him out. Yeah. So you do not come to the precincts of Parliament for 4 days. Please take him out, Sergeant at Arms. Escort him, please. Honorable Kamket, allow him to go. I think on the point of order that you raised, Honorable Member, about the KYPA, because this is a statement, what you can do is write to the Speaker. Then the Speaker will be able to come and rule on it here at the House. Thank you. Yes, Honorable Wandai?
Thank you, Madam Speaker. You know, I've been sitting here watching in consternation the unfolding scenario. But I think it behoves us as a House, of course, to be a little bit more orderly, especially at this time, you know, when we are trying to engage in some national dialogue. I don't think it is the right time for us, Madam Speaker, to be creating rifts which can be avoided. Honorable Badagala, kindly just allow me to speak.